So this is the great Xandar, and this is Xandar playing fetch. He's my cat, as you can clearly see. Good boy. Good boy. Xandar, you want this? You want this? Go fetch! Good boy. What a good Xandar. What a good boy. And he does it without treats, too. Yes. Psst. Say hi to the camera, Xandar. Why are you so distracted? What's over there that's so fascinating? Stare at nothing for 4 hours. Sleep for 6. The life of a Xandar. You want to come up here? Want to come here? He's too tired. Been doing this too much. I'll do it in another video. Xandar plays fetch. Brrr, brrr. What does that meow mean? So he's been doing this for about 20 times now. He's still going. Look at him. Look how he's so intrigued with this thing. It does have catnip in it. It's just this little purple mouse thing. Ready? See how long I can do this before he gets tired and doesn't want to do it anymore. This is the way my cat's not going to get fat. Yeah, he's done. He didn't even give back to me this time. And now he's not going to get fat. Not on my watch. Ciao.